Let's take a look at how to turn on AirDrop. So if you want to have AirDrop for contacts or AirDrop for everyone that's around you to be able to be found by everyone, you go to Settings, and then we're going to go down to General. And inside of General, if you scroll down a little bit, you might need to, you'll find AirDrop down here. And then inside of AirDrop, we have a few options. We can turn receiving off, contacts only, which is sort of like the default on, and then everyone for 10 minutes. So if it's not someone in your contacts, you'll want to turn on everyone for 10 minutes, and then your phone will be able to be found, or vice versa. You'll be able to see theirs to be able to AirDrop to them. The other thing that you can turn on or off is start sharing by bringing devices together. So if two devices are close to each other, essentially, it will start this sharing thing. You can do that. And then generally, Wi-Fi is needed for AirDrop. If you are out of range of Wi-Fi, you can actually turn on use cell data right here, and that will continue the AirDrop, or you can turn that off to make sure you don't use cell data. The other thing that you can do is if you swipe down from that top right spot on your screen, you'll pull open the control center, and inside of there, you should see the AirDrop icon. You can tap on that a couple times and turn these same settings on or off. That's how you can turn on AirDrop on the iPhone.